Hey guys, it's Strat. Another cooking video. We're on a roll. This is the fourth one. What? It is cooking time, yeah. We're gonna make some chicken tenders tonight. Very high quality meal, if you do ask me. But this set right here is our chicken tenders for tonight's meal. Very tasty, I know. Very good, actually. Purdue's got some good chicken tendies, to be honest. Just very, very easy meal. Anyone can do this. You know, this isn't as complex as the Hot Pocket where you gotta put in the crisping sleeve or cooking the steak or the ground beef. You just take out the ones that you want, you know. I haven't had dinner yet, so I'm gonna go heavy and take all the tenders left in this one. So we're gonna take all 5. It's gonna be a wild time. We're done. We gotta open the microwave and we put the tendies in the microwave. Oh, don't spill it. Don't spill it out. Here we go. They're all in. Close the microwave. Timer, 45 seconds. Start it. And just like that, we're off. We take the ketchup as our condiment for it. We close... Oh, do not close the fridge like that or else we're going to break it. Close that first. Then you close the whole fridge. We take this, throw it out. Now we go get our drink for this meal, which is soda, of course. Reach in, grab the soda, take it out, walk it back to here, place it down, quickly get a glass. Bam! Got the glass. 3 seconds left on the timer. Pour it out. Ice is in. Go! Get this. Kapow! Lift. Open. Take out the chicken. And you are done. Bam. High quality meal right here.